Which way are you going?
No.
Just stay here for a minute because I can only record one of you at a time.
Time 1 hour 35 minutes. Distance 2.32 miles. Average pace 40 minutes 34 seconds per mile.
Having you two at the top as little elves, it's gonna look fucking funny. He's doing good though, isn't he, for his first climb? What do you think, he hurt his foot as well? Soldiering on. Mark, see if you can go across to your right. That's where my bag is. Yeah. Because if you can both sort of kneel in the water there. You go whichever way you're comfortable, mate.
Yeah.
But I reckon you'll be fine going up the waterfall. There's plenty of hand grips.
Yeah, I've done it before.
I know. You know you'll regret it if you don't do it.
Yeah. But see, I've done that bit. I don't know, Mark's way looks pretty good and you don't get covered in water.
Yeah, but you've got waterproofs on.
Well, I don't know which way to go.
Right, he's up there.
Which way do you reckon?